Hi, welcome to Cafe Dino's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my own version of chicken fettuccine alfredo. And these are all the ingredients that I prepared here. First, our diced chicken breast that I marinate with salt and pepper and some chicken powder. And then we are also like gonna use heavy whipping cream, our fettuccine pasta. We are also like gonna use Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and then we are also like gonna use fresh chopped parsley, and then we are also like gonna use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then lastly our cup of fresh milk. And let's start it. So I have the pan here, but before we are going to start in our sauce, we are going to make our pasta first. So I'm going to turn on our stove to high heat, and I have the water ready in the pot. So I'm gonna add some olive oil in the pot. Okay. And then we are also like gonna put salt in the pasta. We are only gonna cook our pasta for about like 7 minutes to make it kind of like al dente. Okay. So now in this stove, we're going to turn our stove to high heat. Okay. We are going to cook our chicken breast first. So now we are going to put some olive oil in the pan. Okay. Let's just make our olive oil hot before we're going to start putting our chicken breast. So now we can start putting our chicken breast. So after we cook our chicken breast, we are going to put them in one tray, and then we are going to proceed to the next step. Turning light brown now. Make sure they're turned like golden brown like that. Making chicken alfredo, it's kind of like the same similar of carbonara. The only difference was carbonara has more meat, and chicken alfredo it's just chicken. But it's kind of like the same thing. They're all like getting turned light brown, which you're looking. And then in a different pot, it's kind of like getting the water boiling. So pretty soon, in a minute, we are going to put our fettuccine pasta. Okay. So in the same pan, we are going to add our butter. We're not going to reduce the olive oil, the cooking oil. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to turn down in a medium heat. Here is our butter. And then add our chopped garlic. And then we are going to add our heavy whipping cream. And then we are also like gonna add our fresh milk now. Just keep stirring it. Okay. And then I add a half chicken bouillon. This is just optional to make it kind of more a little bit of tasty. Okay. And then we are going to add some black pepper. So once it's boiling now, we are going to put back our chicken breast that we cook. We are going to put our fettuccine pasta now in this pot. Okay. So now we're gonna put back our chicken. We just want to make sure like make it creamy. Okay. So now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. That could be enough. And then I'm gonna mix it in our sauce. It's very creamy now. Okay. And then before I'm going to add some salt, I am going to try first our sauce before adding the salt, because I was already marinated the chicken breast with some salt. So let's try first. Very yummy. Oh my goodness, very yummy. I don't need to add more salt. For me, it's perfect taste. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now the last thing we are going to add is our fresh chopped parsley. This is very tasty. OMG. I don't need to put all of the parsley that I chopped. This is just for a something that makes kind of like put some color in it, you know. Okay. So here is our sauce. The chicken Alfredo. Okay. So now I could turn off our stove now and wait until our fettuccine pastas cook. You see how creamy it is? It's so good. Very good. You guys need to try this. Okay? Okay. Our pasta's almost cooked. Just a couple of more minutes and then I'll be done. Okay. Oh my god, this is very yummy. Sweet. Here you go, guys. Here is my chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Very creamy. It's kind of like the same of carbonara, but it less meat. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.